Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with a really fun gel polish. This is called for Peepsakes, and it is part of a new collection that is releasing this Saturday called the Yougurt Gel Collection, and it's so fun and unique. And check out this pigment. It is super fun in the perfect spring pink color, and it is giving me all those Easter vibes. Now, if you've been following Sundara Nails Facebook group, you've been seeing tons of sneak peeks of some amazing spring and new items that are releasing this Saturday. That is Saturday, March 18th at 10 a.m. Central Time. And when spring happens, Sundara does it big, and there's no better way than doing a really fun release mix of builder gels, pudding gels, dip powders, and some really fun gel polishes. Now, the Yougurt Collection is filled with 6 beautiful gel polishes, and check out that first swipe. It's giving me like marshmallowy pink goodness, and for Peepsakes it's definitely the perfect name because it's giving me these marshmallow peep vibes for sure. So all 6 of these colors have a really pretty milky base to it, and this one right here, you can see that it has that beautiful milky white base, and then it has really pretty like almost like matte purple pink glitters in there. It's super fun, and I just love the name of this color right here for Peepsakes. There's some other fun names in this collection as well. There's one called Bunny Kisses, which has really pretty pink and yellow glitters in there, and then there's another one called We Care About You, which is that beautiful milky white base, and then it has the orange glitters in there. Now, when I say glitters, to me they look more like a matte glitter, which is really fun, and it gives that nail kind of this really unique textured dimension kind of look to it. So each layer that you build up with this gel polish, it's going to give you a really awesome manicure, because each swipe of this gel polish, you're going to be picking up more of those glitters, and you're going to have some strokes that have more of those glitters in there and some that have less. So you're going to get a really unique, pretty manicure with this polish, and I think the Yougurt Collection is so fun, and this is definitely the perfect name for this collection because doesn't it look like yogurt? Definitely because it has that milky base to it, but there's just something about this collection that is just so fun and unique, and I'm loving it. And this color by far is one of my favorites, but I'm really loving that one called We Cared About You with the orange. I'll leave a picture at the end of the video so you can see the other colors that I'm talking about, because We Cared About You, it's not just like that bright, vibrant orange. It's more of like a corally orange, and I think it's going to be so pretty for summer. All these colors, honestly, are going to be perfect for summer. So not only is this collection releasing on Saturday, but there are some really fun, pretty builder gels that are releasing that are perfect to get you ready for spring. And if you haven't tried builder gels, you can use them as a topper over your enhancements to give you some color, or you can use them over your regular nails to help build up strength. It's just overall really fun way to add some strength to your nails, and then you get that pop of color. And another reason why I like builder gel as well is that if you use peel base and your dip powder or gel mani pops off, you still have some color underneath that mani, so that just makes it super fun. Okay, so here is the mani with 3 coats. I did the rest of the 3 coats and finished with a gel top coat to save some time here, but this is what that completed mani looks like with 3 coats of for Peepsakes, and I just really love how it turned out. I think it's super pretty, soft, and definitely perfect for that Easter season. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in the description box below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and head over to Sundara Nails Facebook group to check out all the sneak peeks of the upcoming spring collections that are releasing this Saturday, and I'll see you in the next upload.